You are most welcome to Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. In this section of banking series, we are going to solve some more problems from previously asked banking exams. In this session, we will discuss some problems based on seating arrangement. The data is given that there are 9 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and J sitting in a straight line facing north, not necessarily in same order. Each one of them likes different color: pink, yellow, green, blue, red, black, brown, white and violet, not necessarily in same order. H sit on even position from left hand, and the one who likes blue sits on the leftmost place. Two persons sit between G and E. D, who likes green, sits on the second position from the right hand. The one who likes yellow sits just to the left of the one who likes white. C does not like yellow. The one who likes pink sits exactly between the one who likes brown and the one who likes red, but not on the fifth position from the left hand. J likes violet. G sits on the third position from the left hand. B sits on the even position from the left hand, and A sits on odd position from left hand, but not on the leftmost position, means not on the first position. The one who likes brown sits on fourth position from the left hand, but B does not like brown. A does not sit on the fifth position from the left hand. The one who likes black does not sit at rightmost position. The one who likes white sits on the sixth position from the left hand. So according to the problem, there are 9 positions, and due to which I have drawn 3 cases: case 1, case 2 and case 3, and the 9 persons A to H and J have different colors: pink, yellow, green, blue, red, black, brown, white and violet. So we have to place each position accurately by observing the statements. In the first statement, he is saying the leftmost place from the left hand is position 1 and vice versa. So this is the position number 1 and this is position number 9 at the rightmost place. So consider the statement: the one who likes blue sit on the leftmost place. So we will place blue at the first position, and then two person sit between G and E. It is not observing this time. D, who likes green, sit on the second position from the right side. So second from the right side is this D, who likes green. After that, G sits on the third position from left hand. So this is the third position. G sit on the third position from the left hand. Two persons sit between G and E. So two persons sit between G and E. In this side not possible. So two persons between G and E, he will be placed here. The one who likes white sit on the sixth position from left hand. From left hand sixth position, he likes white. The one who likes brown sit on the fourth position. The one who likes yellow sit just to the left of the one who like white. the one who like pink sit exactly between the one who likes brown and the one who likes red. So pink is between brown and red. But not on the fifth position from the left hand. So fifth position from the left hand is yellow, so pink cannot possible. Now keep focus on the even positions. We can see here that 8th position and 6th position are occupied by D and E, and it is given that B sit on even position from left hand, and also it is given that H sit on even position from left hand. So B and H both are sitting at even position, so there are only two seats are vacant, second and fourth. So there is a possibility of B, H or H, B. But it is given that B does not like brown. So this case is cancelled by this statement. It is given the one who like black does not sit on rightmost position. So there are only two positions vacant for colors. At rightmost position we cannot place black, so black will be placed at this position, and it is given that J likes violet. So J likes violet. This is the by this statement we can see that color line is filled. A sits on odd position from left but not on the leftmost position. So only three positions are left: first position, fifth position and seventh position. So it is given that it is not sitting at the leftmost position. So there are only two possibilities, that A is sitting at fifth and seventh position. So in this case first, we are placing A at fifth position, and in case 3 we are placing A at seventh position. But it is given in the next statement, A does not sit on the fifth position from the left hand. So case 1 again fails here. A does not sit at fifth position, so case 3 is correct. Now there are two positions vacant, first and fifth position. So at this stage, case 1 and case 2 are fails and case 3 only exists, but only two places are vacant where we have to place C and F. So in this statement it is given C does not like yellow. So yellow is at fifth position. C does not like yellow, so C likes blue, and the remaining F likes yellow. So this is the complete sitting arrangement. Now based on this sitting arrangement, which we have finalized with case number 3, we can solve the problems. Who among the following sit on the leftmost position? So C sit on the leftmost position. Option B is correct. Next one is, how many persons are sitting between the one who like red and A? Red and A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 persons sitting between the person who like red and A. 4 of the following 5 are alike in the certain manner, hence form a group. Find the one who does not belong that group. Options given: A option is G, D, J, C, F. So we have to find the odd one. So we can see that G, J, C and F are placed at the odd position, and D is placed at even position. It is 8th position. So D is odd one. Option B is correct. Next one is, what is the position of F with respect to A? So F is second most left to A, but it is not given in the options, so none of these is correct answer. Which of the following statement is not true? A likes black, so A like black, it is correct. F sit exactly between A and G. A and G. F sit exactly between A and G. The one who sit in middle of the row sit just to the right of H. Middle of the row is F. It is just right of H. 5% sit between B and the one who likes violet. So this is violet. 5% sit between B and the one who likes violet. So there are 6% sit in between B and the one who likes violet. So option D is incorrect. H sits second to the left of the one who likes white. So E likes white. It's sitting second to the left of H. H is sitting second to the left of E. He likes white. So option E is also correct. So D is only option which is incorrect. He is asking which of the following statement is not true. So option D is the answer. That's all in this session. We will take some more problems in next videos, and if anyone have some doubts, then ask in comment section. I will try to rectify it. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep practicing.